When a dreamy-looking cake falls off the cart at the bakery. Two cats spring into action.
This is mine.
No, this is mine.
This is mine.
No, this is mine.
A red fox appears and watches.
This is mine.
No, this is mine.
This is mine.
No, this is mine.
This is mine.
No, this is mine.
This is mine.
Hey, you need to share. Let me break the cake for you. Uh-oh, this one is too big. I'll fix it. Now, this is too big. No worries, I'll fix it.
Stop!
I can't stop. You will fight if they are not equal.
Fox, give it to us now.
No, this is mine. I help you. You must thank me.
Wah, wah, wah.